Hi, my name is Jeroen van der Holst and I'm the Community Director of ATIM International. For editors of the ATIM model who would like to work on adding and improving translations, there are two ways to go about this. First, if you have just a few updates, you can do that directly in the classification management tool, but you could also download an Excel file and do the work there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the Excel file. To create the Excel file, you go to the classification management tool. You make sure you are logged in. You select classes. Make the selection you would like. You could select, for instance, one sector or maybe just one group. And if you're done, go to Export. Choose the export format, Excel translations. Choose, of course, the base language ATIM English, the language that you would like to translate to, for instance, Spanish. And if convenient, you could also add a couple of other languages so you can check the context and the translations that they have made, which will help you in your work. Give it a name. And press OK. Processing this translation file might take a while, but as soon as it's ready, there's a download button here, but you can also go away, have a cup of coffee, and then find the download link in your email box. So if I download it, I can open it. And here's the Excel file. So with this file, you can now start searching for blanks and update the translations. Like so. So now that you've learned how to process translation work in an Excel file, I wish you good luck. And when you're done, send the file to the staff office and we will take care of it.